Hi viewers, this is Dr. Gunamani Jana and you are watching video with me on Overleaf. So this is, as I told you, that one online your LaTex editor. Here, as I told you, that there is no need to install any software. Just we need to open this Overleaf. For that, what you need to do, just you go for opening any browser. I am opening this Brave browser. Here, yeah, here just open anything and you just go for, this is not required, this is, then you go to Google and you type Overleaf. Okay, so just I'm typing Overleaf L, yeah, Overleaf. Then you just go for this Overleaf. Fine. Then it will ask you just to open it and you have to give the credential of your Google. So already I have given the credential of my Google and all things. Fine. So here uh, we need to go for in this special video. In this video we are going for how to create the different type of tables. How to create the different type of tables. That is the main thing we are going to do it here, and also we'll be going for inserting some images and also how to make the different type of a list. Okay, so main thing we are going for yeah, tutorials on table. Okay, so this is the things we are going to do it here. Fine, just I clicked it here, but once the first time you are opening, no, so it may ask you to open with your credentials. That means you have to provide the Google credential, or some, if you register your user and password, you have to give it there. Fine. So now while we are going for the table, this is the tutorials on table, what I told you that. So here you see title I have given tutorials on table, or you can make it capital letter, all the things whatever possible you do it here, tutorials or demonstrations, hands on this thing. Okay, then I have given here just starting a document. I start with the slash document class, and in the curly bracket I write it article, because it is just an article. So if it is a book, you write it book. If it is a paper, you write it paper. So what are the different class you will be using? So this is a paper I am writing. In this paper I can use the number of tables and etc. That is the reason I am going for this part of video, right? So for writing the article, so slash document class, and in the curly braces you write article, right? So then the article is created here. Then I am using some packages of graphics. If you want to use it, because here I am not using, you may use, you may not use, but if you require to insert some images, then you have to use this package slash use package graphics. Okay, graphic CX, not S, remember that. Okay, and this percentage sign you are using, it is only for the comments. Okay, single line comment it is given here like this. Okay, so for multiple lines I think you have to give for this individual percentage sign. I tried with the percentage star percentage, it is not working actually. There will be some shortcut, I will trace it and check you. Okay, then I am writing the title, the author, date, whatever things I want to write it here. So I write slash title. I am writing the title is tutorials on table. Author myself I am writing Gunamani Jana, and day today it is the May 2023 I am writing. So then to make the document start here, slash begin document, slash begin document. Now to the make title, to whatever the title, author, date, what you have done, to execute all the things we have tried the slash make title. Is it clear? Up to this is over. Suppose we want to start with a section, so start with the slash section, then it is the introduction. I am writing it is the introduction. You can write, just I am writing introduction, you can write anything whatever you write it here, right? Then to make it at the center all the table, slash begin center, you have given it here and it is going there. Then then for creating a table, so you have to use this command slash begin. In the curly braces you see here tabular, so begin center, if you want to make it at the center or the left or right, whatever things you write it there inside the curly braces. I want the table should be at the center. In a paper also, whatever the tables or whatever the images, you have to put at the center. That's a slash begin center. And to start a tabular, just I'm writing begin slash begin under curly braces tabular. Then how many number of columns you want to create inside the curly braces, you have to put C. C stand for creating one column, C is another for a column, C another. Oh, you got it now? So like that, because as you know, a table consisting of a number of rows and columns, and this just as simple given C, and these are all in curly braces. That means in the curly braces C space C space C. So what will do? So it will make a column. If you see the output, it is coming one column separated by gap, another column, another three columns are there, because here it has not given the column boundary and everything. How to do that in the next figure, in the below figure here, how to do this one, how to do this one, all things will tell it here today. Fine. So now then in the first element of this table, that is the MSD, mean stack development, and next is web technology, third is computer network. So these must be separated by the and ampersand. You can see MSD space and web technology space and CN. So for the next line, 2 forward slash, okay, sorry, 2, this is a backward slash, 2 backward slash, 2 backward slash, then it will go to the next line, then Java and OS and DBMS, 2 backward slash, then ANN and IoT and information security. So like that I can create all the things. And because you all created the begin tabular, then you end the tabular, then you begin at the center, then end at the center. So up to this, if you do, you will see that it will execute the first one, that is the MSD, web technology, CN, Java, operating system, DBMS, whatever things are that is created. But this is the very basic and principal type of tables. But I want to look, it must look like a table like here. Okay, then what I have to do? So begin center, begin tabular. Now if they are to be separated by a column, then you see on inside the curly braces, that is your vertical line, you can see it here, vertical bar, then see vertical bar. Now you see, you can click this shift and vertical bar, that is already there in your keyboard, line number 3, I think the last one you can check it there, that is the backward slash and vertical line is there. So shift or function something whatever there in your keyboard, you check it and put it there. So when they are separated by that means I am starting with the first vertical line, then C, then vertical line, then C, then vertical line, then C. That means it will create 3 number of columns. So line number will be for 1, 2, 3, 4, column is 3. Okay, then remaining thing is same. And if you want to draw some horizontal lines, the first I drawn one horizontal line, last I have drawn another horizontal line. So first you write the, for writing the horizontal line, you slash H line, then whatever things you want to put it here, suppose I want to put it cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, then cell 1 space and cell 2 space and space cell 3 and 2 backward slash to make the new line, next line, right? So like that I have completed all the 3 into 3, 9 number of elements there. Then I ended with the H line, then I started with the begin tabular, then I end with the tabular, then begin the center I put it here and then end the center. So these are the things up to this we have completed. If you see it here, up to this we have completed. And once you save and recompile it here, the second one, that means this one, it will be showing. Okay, this one, that is the cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4, cell 5, but still it is not completely looking like a table. Then what we need to do? Begin center, begin tabular. Here you see, here I am in 2 vertical lines, here 2 vertical line, here only a single horizontal line, then 2 horizontal line, all are separated line and all things. Then what we need to do? How to write the horizontal line and how to write the vertical line? Let us learn it here. So now we begin the tabular. So if you want to start with 2 vertical lines, then you have to write shift, you have to do the 2 vertical lines here, then C space C space C space C, then 2 vertical lines, all the things will be inside the curly braces. That means, so it will show only a space, but it will not separated by a particular boundary, right? So for that we are going for the last one, it is only showing the horizontal lines. So that means what I have to do, I have to start with the horizontal line. So initially you see the first horizontal line I am starting with the H line, then here column 1 and column 2 and column 3 and column 3. Okay, column or cell, whatever things are there, you can set it here. Okay, it is column 1, then is the column 2, then is the column 3, etc. all are there, right? So this will not be shown there. So this I am 0.5 p x I am putting it here. Then I am putting 2 horizontal line, H line, H line. That means it is starting with 1 horizontal line. So column 1, column 2, column 3, all etc. all we are writing. Then 2 horizontal line I am putting it here, right? Then the value you can put it 1 and 6 and some value, all separated by these things, and you put it by 2 backward slash, right? Then you write another H line slash H line. So this is the first, second, third line, it will be created here. Okay, so like that, whatever the values you put it here, then you put another H line. So like that you can complete all the things. Then end tabular, end, center, all things you do it up to this, right? So once you finish up to this, then if you want to execute, just compile it here. After compiling, the first, second, third table, it will appear like this. But I want to do a complete table. Horizontal rows will be there and the columns will be there. They all be separated by the boundary or demarcated. How to do all that? For that, what I need to do, so slash begin center, okay, because I want to draw this at the center. If you remove this one, the table will come to the left hand side by default, okay, but I want to be at center, so I'm writing it center. So if you you want to see that how to learn that I want to put it in the center, so put a percentage sign. This line will not be executed, okay. So now the end center also, just you put it here, one more line here, okay. So this is now just it will work like a command. Now see, begin tabular, I am putting 2 vertical line first, then column 1 vertical line C, vertical line C, and at the end 2 vertical lines. That means that table start with 2 vertical lines here, then 1 vertical line, then 1 vertical line, then 1 vertical line, then 2 vertical lines. Then how to insert all things? You write it column 1 and column 2. So first you need to start with a horizontal line, okay. For that line slash H line, you put it there. Then you the column 1 and column 2, column 3, all the things separated by and it is separated by 0.5 x, that you write it there. Then I am putting 2 horizontal, because you see after the first row I am putting 2 horizontal lines. That's why to put 2 horizontal lines slash H line slash H line, you need to put it there. Then put the value this and these things. Then put another horizontal line. Then put value. See, after putting the value each time, it is separated by 2 number of backward slash. And I am putting 1 horizontal line. Then write all these values to your backward slash. Then another horizontal. You do it up to this, right? Whatever the data, how many lines you put it there. Then end tabular, end center, and end document. And once you recompile everything, you can check it here. So initially you have seen our table here at the center. When I remove this center, because I am putting a percentage, means it is just working as a comments, okay. So then it has come here. Suppose I remove that one because I want everything should be available at the center. Then I remove this percentage sign here, okay. Are you getting me? So I remove this beginning percentage sign here, and here also I remove, okay, sorry, yeah, I put it here back. Now it is there is no need to say, because it is online, automatically saves. And recompile. When you compile, you can see our, yeah, exactly everything it is coming underline. I hope in this video you are able to understand how to create the different type of tables with the different data, the horizontal line, the vertical lines, or without any boundary or demarcations, how you can create a table. All the things I hope you have learned. So if you have any doubt or still you need some more things, please do comments on this video, on the YouTube video what I am giving to you. Thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, please do share with your friends, or any other comments, please do share with me. Thank you once again. Please take care of your health and have a good day. Thank you.